Here's a job I'm running right now. It drills a hole through here and deburrs both sides. Let me start this up so you can see it run. The ball screws do not make any noise up or down or left or right. Basically it spots the hole. This does have the big plus spindle in it if you want to run that kind of tooling. It does have through spindle coolant. They use those lock lines with the little screw because the coolant pressure does come out pretty hard in this machine. Keeps the lock lines from staying still. It's pretty quiet. And then, like I said, this is the pneumatic collet closer. Switch that, it opens it up, and you can take your part out. Okay, so here's a little video. This machine, even though it has a lot of little chips stuck there, it's very, very clean. It is, I would say it is in excellent shape. There are no damages. It's pretty pristine. I do have one or two extra oil grease cartridges for it, and also some pull studs for the machine as well. Here's the control. It is a plus control. There is your runtime hours. It's a Sam Chuli S170 with a 5C pneumatic collet closer. Devices are not included in this machine. Double arm changer, 30 tools, Cat 40. I will turn the spindle on. S1003. It's 1,000 RPM. The spindle makes no noise. It is, it's perfect. It really is. This machine is really a mint machine. Here's 5,000 RPM. I'm running a job here. I'll send you a video of that running real quick here in a minute. It does have a Renshaw receiver. I do not have a Renshaw probe. You can add that pretty easily. This machine, I have the door safety key switch put into the other side. You can run this machine wide open with the doors open. You can change tools with the door open. I do have the parameter to change that back from DOOSAN. So if you wanted to add that back, I can surely give you the parameter or change it myself. That takes that safety feature back on. But currently right now the machine, there is no safety features on this machine. The key is bypassed, and also I turned the parameter off. There's a lot of jobs that I do where we're running brass and we're just to burn some little parts in this little collet closer. So I had them take that off because the cycle time is pretty quick and we don't use any coolant. So I just opened, instead of opening and closing the door, the machine will run with the door open. So just want to let you know, the machine can ship with that parameter the way it is, or I can give you the parameter to turn it back on, or I can turn it back on before the machine ships. Manual pulse generator, and this control has the new plus control. I don't really use the new side, but it does have 2 megabyte of memory. That's the control. Does have a light, does have a LNS chip conveyor, which is pretty nice. Through spindle coolant, and the 4th axis with the Sam Chuli. It does have an oil skimmer. A little video here. I am just doing some tool changes. tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, tool 4 carousels kind of going around, just so you can see that it does change tools fine. I think tool 4 or 5 has some tools in it. I'm not sure if 1, 2, or 3 does. Let me, I'll send another video of it changing with some tools in the spindle. I think this one might be tool to tool. Let me see. To show you, I got an empty tool in here, through spindle coolant. There's no tool in there, but, and it has that little air blast at the end to blow all the coolant out at the end. It's the way DOOSAN has that set up. That can be changed, I believe, with some parameters.